Okay, so for our subway tile project in the kitchen, we had bought the cheapest tile cutter that we could find. And it's a Blue Hawk tile cutter. Can't get any simpler than that. It's got 2 cutting wheels that come with it. It's pretty compact. It's only 14, it says right there, 14 inches. And this is supposed to cut pretty much everything. And as you know, subway tile is like a porcelain or ceramic or whatever. And there's a lot of mixed reviews on this product. Well, I have not yet had a problem with it, with the exception of I'm having to score it more than once, but it's not really a problem. The snap works good. The guide is a little off, so make sure you line up the wheel with your marks that you make on your tile. Do not rely just on this little fence here. Also, when you put the tile on here, make sure it's perfectly aligned. You clean off the debris every time so you don't have any actual raises in it. You slide it down, you make your score, you go to snap it. One of the things that I'm having with my scoring, sorry about the camera work here, is that the snapper drags and it'll get hung up sometimes on the tile, and then it's not a clean score. So make sure you have it fixed in a way that it'll allow you to score without that dragging on the bottom. When you go to snap it, it's got a nice little, foot-long handle here, but you do have to apply quite a bit of pressure, and it feels like you're going to break the whole tile, but eventually the score will give. And it's not the smoothest straight line. For instance, see that little piece on the corner there? This is actually a scrap piece, so the piece that I needed was actually a little bit less. Most of it's pretty smooth. Now, if this was the piece I needed to use, I'd have to get like a file or some sandpaper and sand that down to what I needed. And I'm finding that on just about every piece. So on this one was a negative break. So there's the score piece here. Now, to make notches for items that are going to be cut on a corner and not just straight across, I am using a jigsaw. Alright, so make sure you have the tools you need to make all the cuts necessary. Alright, but this Blue Hawk for straight cuts is working pretty good. I will also tell you, I use this for my longer notches as well. So I will make a cut into the tile with the jigsaw, and I'll bring it back over here, and I'll score it, obviously, just the long piece that I need, and snap it, and have no issues making L shapes or notch outs with this as well. Alright, I'm not going to show you that because I don't want to be responsible for you accidentally breaking a tile, but it works for me. So if you have the ability and the knowledge, you might be able to do it as well. Alright, just wanted to do a quick review on the Blue Hawk. I would recommend it. It was only about 20 to 30 bucks. I think I paid about $25 after tax, and it's working for this particular project. I don't think I would use it for really extensive work like cutting mosaics and stuff like that for a bathroom or floor tile. I would get a wet saw for something like that. Alright, but for the money in this project, that's what we had to use. Alrighty, on to the next.